Okay, so hello everyone, this is Liti, and today I have new update for my Magician deck, but I think I will call this Super King deck because I cut my some my Magician cards. I will explain it later, and before I go with my deck profile, I want to talking about my previous list in 2 weeks ago, last week and 2 weeks ago, and this is my list where I play like 2 weeks ago, and as you can see, this is like the standard list from 2 weeks ago. For Gamma, this is like my experiment and try to play Gamma because I really afraid of Maxi, and because I have lot of searcher and I can get like opponent like S or maybe draw, so it's good and in theory, and I resolve this once when my opponent try use Maxi instant BPs, and it's cool actually, but sometimes I afraid of like I cannot resolve these cards, so that's why in my this week cutting I'm not play this anymore. This delta I'm not use this card. I mean, in theory I use this for rescue S, but I think I don't really need because I have a good card like Impump, and Failure is really strong against rescue S, and it's like a mandatory in every deck right now. And if you saw like in even in rescue S deck they also play Failure or maybe both Failure and Impump, so both cards is really important in rescue S meta. And if you saw my report, this is really good to report. I lost because I made a bad decision, so I can learn from that, but overall it's a really strong result. And in round 5 I lost it because I opened like Harmo plus Purple Poison. Actually I'm not really fan of this card in starting hand. It happened to me like some game, maybe I'm not really remember this purple and off it's sometimes in my hand and it's break. Harmo it's break too. It's only good when this card is resolved, and in theory you can summon Baron with Harmo alone, but actually if you open like Harmo plus off or maybe Harmo plus Purple Poison, you cannot do much. That's why in my this week I changed my list, and I think it's not a bad result, this one. Also this effect is really bad in this list because I never summon these effects, because I always focus on summon Baron. Baron is really strong, and that's why my new list, this one, and I changed a lot of cards. And if you saw this, and this is 41 cards. Besides of this Jack build, this is for fun, but actually if I play for competitive or want to like win a tournament, I will cut this Jack engine, because I lost because I like in Invoke matchup game 1 I opened this Arc Pendulum plus this trap, and this is really bad card when you get second. And in this tournament I also lost all dice roll, so basically in 3 matches I always going second, which is this Jack is really bad when you going second. And if you saw this list, I don't play Pencraft spell. And I also got my harmonizing in here. I got Harmo, Purple Poison, and off it, so it means I don't play like Baron. And of course, because of this Zac build, I need more space for my extra deck. But if I play standard list, I will cut like I will keep playing like a Safex, because you can really easy to summon Safex in here, because I play 2 like Womb. The reason put this 2 like Womb is because I don't play Harmo, so I need this second copy, and I play 3 this like Wing. This is really strong. I'm happy to play this 3 like Wing. So that's why I need the second copy of this like Womb, because I play this 3. And I also try this Revolution. Actually, if you open like 2 Revolution, you can make a combo with Dark Womb plus like Womb. Actually, I think I will make another video with if you open like Dark Womb plus like Womb in your hand, you can make a combo. You can still make a combo. And the reason put this I don't play Pengraph is because Pengraph spell, I mean, it's because I don't play Harmo, and I only have like a few magician cards. And as you can see, I only like have like Wisdom Eye, Double Iris, and this Cat Magician. Because I only have like a few Pengraph spell, it's hard to resolve my Pengraph spell. So that's why I cut it and only play this Pengraph Trap. Because this card is still needed even if you only play a few magician lists. I also in A2 Pro I test it without Wisdom Eye, because I want to try make experiment and try to focus on Supreme King only. And if I focus on Supreme King only, I can play a lot of staple, which is really needed in this meta game. But of course, I need more tests with or without this Wisdom Eye. It because sometimes this Wisdom Eye also break if you open like Wisdom Eye plus Dark Womb or like Womb. So that's why like I like to like max out my Revolution, or maybe I test it with a pot of Prosperity, or maybe I can put a card like Triple Tactic Talent to get a free draw, because every deck right now use Failure because of Rescue S format. Failure is really strong. Yeah, besides of this Zac build, you can just change this Absolute, Arc Pendulum, and this trap with Understable, and this deck will become a standard build. But maybe it it focus on this Dark Womb or like Womb engine. Yeah, maybe that's it for this explanation about my list. And let's start for this deck profile. Okay, this is not my set deck, but I want to explain this later. And I got this. Yeah, don't play this anymore. For Clearwing, I will explain later. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cards. Yeah, I use this in my 2 weeks list. And without this, I can put under cards. Okay, so let's start for the deck list. For Supreme King engine, of course, this card is so really strong. This is like main combo in this deck and like best card in this deck, because it's level 7, so you can use it for exit or maybe single material. Mandatory, you need to play 3. This is like mandatory. Dark Womb with new playlist is really good in here, and you need to max out this become 2. And maybe if we have like 3 Dark Womb, maybe I want to focus on Supreme King Engine maybe and play 3. And also sometimes you can like put this on your scale, and you can put this cat magician in scale, because this card also have name like Supreme King Cat, so you can put this. And if you have Astrograph in your hand, you can destroy this, put Cat and special summon Astrograph, and you can make combo from this Dark Womb and Astrograph. I think I share the list, I mean the combo, this one maybe where, yeah, this one, yeah, with these two cards you can make this combo, this board. So play 2 is mandatory. If we have 3, maybe I will test to play 3. This card is really strong. Also because it's Dark Pendulum, you can use it for Venom material. Next, only 1 cat. I think 1 is enough. Even though like in Runic matchup, this card got banished, I still won the duel. So 1 is enough, I think, because sometimes this card is break if you don't have like Dark Womb or like Womb in your starting hand. And okay, so I think I already explained this. I played 2 it because I don't play like Harmo anymore. The reason is Harmo is sometimes is break. So let's make a scenario like this. If this card is Harmo, and I have like this cat magician in a starting hand, I usually like use this and only Pendulum 1. But if I have like Womb or like Wing, because I play 3 right now, like Wing, Wing, I can like do this, use this, put a cat, summon, and cycle back this special, and you can make combo from here. And also it have like Scale Egg, so this card is really needed. Sometimes I put it on my scale. 2 is really strong, but sometimes it's break, but it's different with Harmo and Harmo Purple and Off. Both 3 cards is breaky if I don't have undercards in my hand. Next, 3 Joker is mandatory. You can search anything you want, Magician, Odd Eyes. Astrograph, mandatory, main combo. And this card is got banished in Runic matchup, but I think I still won the duel. This is like extender, and this card help you a lot to like summon Apollo before Pendulum summon. So, and this also give you a lot of value to add any card that destroy this turn. Wisdom Eye. Okay, so in this version I'm try to keep this Wisdom Eye, but in my maybe in my Centurion game plan that I already shared before, I try to play without this. I'm not sure it's good or not, play this or not. It depends with your testing, but maybe I want to try keep play this, or I need to test more without this. Because sometimes this card is break if you don't have like this. this or this double iris. Let's say you have like this in your starting hand. This card is useless, so that's why I make under experiment without this wisdom eye. I feel like sometimes you need it, sometimes it's not. And if I play without this, I can change this with step like this, plus pump. So that's another variant if you want to play more stable or play this wisdom eye. Next, double iris. Double iris is still mandatory in this deck because it's scale 8, and also sometimes you can send this with this Get Magician effect, because this card also have Pendulum Dragon in this name. So sometimes you can send this with Get Magician, and that's why I will not cut this. I only cut my this Pencraft spell. Yeah, the reason is because I play less my Magician engine, so that's why I don't need it anymore. And I test it this week with my Zack build, and I feel like if I play without this, I feel like fine. Next, Revolution. I think I will keep playing this at least one, because I have like 4 target. I have 2 Dark Womb and 2 Light Womb, and sometimes I want to play more than one because this card is not per turn, and sometimes I can copy this effect in Grave with Venom. So it happened to me in Fire King matchup in game 3. He have like anti-spell plus Gozen match. I'll share the video like maybe Wednesday or something in this week. I record it so you can check it later. So I summon Joker, search this Revolution effect, search this Dark Womb, Pendulum Dark Womb, because he have like Gozen match. So I summon Venom. Venom is really strong. Venom copy in this and pay half life point and return all cards except this from field and craft to deck. So this combo I like this a lot, especially when your opponent don't have negation from the field. So this card is really strong. Also, let's say you don't have more target. Let's say you already have this in your hand or maybe in grave. You can put this in your scale and you can summon your dragon. Maybe you can summon this Savage, or maybe you can summon this Otas Absolute, and you can use this for link material. So I think I will keep this at least one. But if I play without Wisdom Eye, maybe I can play 2 of this, because this card is not per turn. Next, for hand trap, 3 Maxi, 3 Ash is mandatory. This is like mandatory in every deck right now. Next, I play 2 Valor because I have more slot, and Valor is better than Mourner, I think, because this is like flexible, and I know that with Mourner you can use it sometimes to summon Baron, because it's level 3 Tanner, and you can deal damage to your opponent. But I think Valor is more flexible. You can chain opponent, or maybe you can just drop this. And sometimes you can pendulum summon this, because Cat is a really good card. This Cat is because scale 0, and you can sometimes you can pendulum summon this. Or more hand trap is fine, because you can still make combo with Dragon Strain plus hand trap. Also it maybe later, not sure, but it happened to me like 2 weeks ago. I only have Dragon Strain and hand trap, and I can still make good board. I think Apollosa, Electrum, Vortex, and Pengraph Trap, I think. You can play 2 or 3, it depends with your style, but for this list, I think I don't want to play like lot of hand trap, because it sometimes is break, but I need to test it more. And for spell, yeah, I think that's it for monster. Spell, this is mandatory to negate Maxi. And that's why I always keep my Valor and Impulse, at least one of it, because I have this cross out. It happened to me once when opponent use Impulse, and I set out all my Impulse, and I have this, so I cannot change my cross out. So I learned from that I think I need to keep Impulse at least one. So next I think I will talking this later maybe, because this is like a new card in my deck. Three like wing. Before this week, before my Zac build, I always play 2, because I don't want to open multiple of this, but 3 is amazing actually. And sometimes if you don't want to see this in your hand, you can just set it out with under cards, but 3 is really amazing. Yeah, this card is make this deck is more consistent, because you have a lot of starter. You have like 3 of these. This is like basically to source your Cat Magician. This is like basically search your Cat Magician. This one too. Look at this starter, guys. This is really crazy actually. So I have like yeah, this too. 3, 6, 9, 11, 14, 15, 19 cards. 19 cards are Cat Magician. This is really crazy. And this is the reason why this deck is really strong in OCG right now. But of course with Electrum. So this is like your starter. Just to search this Cat Magician. So I think in this build, 3 it's mandatory. But if you, 3 it's mandatory if you don't play Pengraph spell and Harmo engine. Next, 3 Dragon Strain, 1 Foolish for Dark Boom only. And in this list too, I try to play without Destro 2, and as you can see, I don't play Destro 2, even though like I play this 4, and I feel like don't really need Destro 2. I think sometimes it's good, but sometimes it's break if you don't have more scale, so that's why I focus on search my dark womb or light womb to give me more consistent. And this is mandatory too, even though you play this list or maybe the previous list. This Dragon's 3 and Foolish Burial is mandatory, right? Because this gives you like free summon. Next, one pot. Okay, so the idea about this pot and the reason why people don't play pot is because you don't get free throw from Electrum. That's the first one. The second one is your extra is tight and everything in your extra is needed. So that's why people don't play in this. But I was thinking that I think this card is interesting actually, because first I want to try to search my S or maybe my hand trap, but especially when going first, I want to search these cards because I want to avoid Maxi. So that's why my list 2 weeks ago I have Gamma. But Gamma is like it's like double edge. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad. It's like 50-50 for me. And if you throw driver, it's like brick. And I don't want to have brick cards in my starting hand. So I was thinking to play in this. And I think you can like banish card that you don't really need to see in when going first. Maybe you can banish your access. Banish 3 is enough, I think. And if you use this in like mid game, you can banish your own Pendulum monster from your extra. So that's why this card is interesting actually in this deck. And I want to try this and test it more and see the result. But if you don't like this, you can play this talent instead. But of course, talent you need to wait until your opponent discard hand trap. And this is a good card to bait opponent S too, because right now people always use S on my Dragon's Reign or my Foolish Burial. I think they learn about this deck, and yeah, this is a good target to use S against this deck, because I don't have a monster in my grave. Last, this I keep play this one. This card is really strong, and I play 2 Impulse, so it means I play like 10 hand trap. Yep, 10 hand trap. Okay, so this one is mandatory, and this is an option actually. This is depend with your style and gameplay. First, I saw Japanese player always play 3 Impulse. The reason is because your opponent cannot chain this with gold. So your opponent cannot like use talent after this resolve. So that's why they always play 3 Impulse, even with only 1 failure. So they usually like play 3 Impulse with 1 or 2 or 3 failure. It depends with the list, and I feel like I always like this ratio to failure and to Impulse. It because In my theory, in my style, Imperm is really bad if you already have like full board, because you cannot use this if you have like at least one card in your board, and if you let to draw this after maxi. So that's why I always skip Valor, and in my previous list I always like two of this, then two Imperm like this. But the point is like that. Imperm can really easily like to avoid card like Cold or maybe Talon. That's the reason for this. And this also can you can use it in your turn, but I think it's fine if I draw Valor in my turn, because I can Pendulum summon this and use this for link material. So that's my version of this ratio. And yeah, it depends with you if you want to play like 3 Imperm and 3 Valor. And if you don't use Wisdom Eye, you can play 3 of this, or maybe if you don't like this, you can play 3 Imperm. I think 41 or 42, I forget about my main deck. And for extra, this is mandatory in this this exit, mandatory. Electrum, this is mandatory. This is also mandatory. Polo. Yeah, this is mandatory. I think I will not explain these cards. Okay, so for Apollousa, it's an option. Sometimes you don't really need to like force to summon Apollousa. Sometimes like sometimes this board is too much better. Let's say this exit plus Masquerena. Sometimes this board is too much better than Apollousa alone like this. Because in opponent turn you can get value from exit Pendulum. Let's say you summon Cat Magician from grave, and you can use this Masquerena and summon SP in opponent turn, so you can get a lot more value than Apollousa alone. So that's why sometimes use summon Apollousa, sometimes it's not. Okay, so Electrum Beyond Exit. This is mandatory. This is mandatory because you can really easy to summon this. And Vortex, I like Vortex a lot. It help you to like cycling your Pendulum for your extra deck, and it have like 25 attack, so you can still use this under Typhoon. And I don't play Typhoon anymore because I feel like I don't really need it. Next, this is mandatory, but because I don't play off, the reason behind of this before is because it have like OS in name. So if this card in grave, and sometimes you can Pendulum off and cycle this card back. But because I don't play this off again, I think you don't really need it, and maybe you can change this with Clear Wing. Yeah, because you can summon Clear Wing in this deck with level 4 plus any level 3, so you can summon this. But I think in under Scanner you can summon this too with 2 level 7, but and you can summon from this. Okay, so let's say this card is in your extra deck, and if you Pendulum summon or spell summon this, you can destroy your scale and special summon this from your extra deck. And this card is Pendulum Dark, so you can use this for this Venom. So this is the other reason about this card why I think I will keep this, but yeah, I think I will keep this for now, I think. Next, Apollo Sign mandatory, I think. Mass SP. This is an option, so it depends with you and play this or this. Braguska is mandatory. I think it because you can summon this, let's say you do, under Maxi especially. Summon Dark Womb, summon Joker, and you can summon this under Maxi. And Access is mandatory too, I think, because you can release it to summon this, and OTK, it's released it OTK with access code because of this Exit Pendulum. Venom, I like this card a lot, it's like mandatory in this deck. This card become mandatory if you don't play hard mode, because this Light Boom is level 4 Tanner, so you can easy to summon this. Next, this is an option actually, because I don't play Harmo, and the only way to summon this is from level 3 Tanner hand trap plus any level 7. So actually I don't play in this, and I want to try to play like second SP actually. This is second SP. It's because I want to try this Striker Dragon. Reason about this is you can summon this with level 4 or lower Dragon monster, and I have this for Dragon monster. Okay, so why this Striker Dragon? The first reason is because you can really summon this with this Dragon, because you have like this Dragon Screen and Foolish Burial. The idea behind this I will explain. First, Dragon Screen, summon Dark Womb, you can add anything you want. Next, use this Dark Womb, summon Striker Dragon, and you can summon under cards anything you want, and summon to climb to summon this SP, and you can banish opponent like anti-spell or anything else. So this is the reason about this Striker Dragon that I want to try this, because in some situation I want to summon this actually, like this week or 2 weeks ago, when I play this Magician, especially when going second. But I'm still thinking it is needed or not to play more than 1 SP. So far I only have 1, but in theory I want to like summon Strike Dragon, summon SP, and this SP is also help you to like avoid Nibiru. You can summon this first, and you can summon Astro, or maybe I think you will get a lot of value when you going second. Summon this first and summon this and banish opponent cards. Summon Astro or get Magician, and And with either of this, depend with your hand, you can either summon this exit pendulum, or maybe beyond. You summon beyond if you don't have good scale in your hand, but if you have good scale in your hand, you can summon this and cycle back your card again, your pendulum again, and summon again, and you can summon Apollo before you pendulum summon. So that's the idea about this Striker Dragon, especially when going second, because sometimes this card is not enough, like, and let's say my opponent like have I think want to try this, but I'm not sure if I need 1 or 2 SP, but it happened to me and I really want to have this Striker Dragon in my extra deck. But if I only play 1 this SP, maybe I can put Baron maybe. So yeah, I think that's it. Okay, so this is like new evolution of this magician deck, but maybe if I play lost magician card, maybe you can call this Supreme King, because this deck is not focused on magician anymore, and this Supreme King alone is too much better because everything is like a starter, so that's why you can put more hand trap in this deck. And sometimes it's break actually if you play a lot of hand trap, but it happened in Underdeck too. If you play Rescue S and Underdeck, Rescue S is they break if they open like trap plus hand trap. So that's break in this modern Yu-Gi-Oh, but you need it to stop your opponent play. So yeah, maybe that's it. I want to test it more, but so far so good actually. Play with less magician. So yeah, I think that's it. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one. If you have any question, you can comment below.